If your Kia Sportage refuses to start, don't panic. We'll walk through the 5 most likely causes in this quick guide. Statistically, 80% of no-start issues are simple electrical faults rather than mechanical engine failure. Let us break down the diagnostic process step by step. Start with the basics, check your battery voltage, clean off terminal corrosion, and rule out a dead key fob. If power is good, listen for a single click, which often indicates a failed starter motor or a faulty brake light switch. Don't forget to verify fuel delivery. Listen for the fuel pump hum when you first turn the ignition to on. Simple electrical swaps are great for DIY, but internal starter or fuel pump work usually requires a professional touch. Here is the typical cost breakdown for these repairs, so you know exactly what to expect before visiting the shop. If the problem persists, use an OBD2 scanner to check for hidden codes and try swapping your starter relay. Keep a basic multimeter and a simple code reader in your kit to save yourself an expensive tow truck bill. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery cable before performing any hands-on electrical repairs. Thanks for watching, and remember to check your Kia's manual for specific safety warnings before getting started.